The issues we had were 40 years of constant flooding every time we had heavy rain, and Brisbane, in a tropical climate, gets torrential downpours. As soon as it would rain, my stomach would go into a knot because I knew what I had to face, and that was a flooded bedroom. We knew that water was coming in. We really didn't know where it was coming in because we had plastered over the bricks, so we were unable to see where the water was coming in. It was a constant source of aggravation and irritation. We'd done outside drainage. We'd put in spoon drains. We'd done bigger and bigger drains, and it was still flooding because that wasn't the issue. It wasn't coming in from outside, it was coming in from underground. It was a spring. The thing that impressed me the most was Jamie's calm confidence and experience, and he said, I've never not been able to solve a problem. He did two things. He fixed our huge 4-decades-year-old problem, but he gave us our life back. He gave us peace of mind, and he gave us the ability to enjoy our house again. I just can't recommend Jamie and his team highly enough. They're amazing.